Have you ever wondered what your true life purpose or so-called Ikigai is? Are you looking for that sense of direction and fulfillment in your life? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share some practical steps that will help you discover your life purpose, and the best part is, it will only take you less than 5 minutes. So, let's dive in. Many of us go through life feeling like something is missing. Not knowing your purpose can leave you feeling lost or adrift, unsure of where you're heading in life. You will have low motivation and will never succeed. But trust me, it's never too late to discover your life's true purpose. Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life, gives us the 4 simple questions to determine what our life purpose is. The first step is to find out what you love. Let me bring an example. This is Mike. Mike has tried a lot of things and has found out that he likes playing football, eating burger, singing, dancing. Next, let's talk about identifying what you are good at. For Mike, he likes singing, but others do not like to hear him singing. He likes dancing and he is the dancing star while partying with his friends. And if we talk about playing football, he is the best in his college team. So far we know that Mike likes to play football and dance. We also know that he is really good at those things. In the third step of finding the purpose, you have to understand what the world needs. As when your actions positively impact others, your sense of purpose gets stronger. Now Mike has to find out what can bring more value and help other people with the things he likes and he is good at. He thinks, if I could help my city football team to be a champion, everybody in my city would feel great and happy. So he definitely chooses football over dancing. The fourth step is to understand what you can be paid for. This financial aspect is crucial for a well-rounded and sustainable life purpose. It helps you align your passions and talents with being rich. So it is your and Mike's turn to decide if being a football player can make him rich. The answer is most possibly yes. We have a lot of examples like Messi and Ronaldo. They are the greatest football players of our time and they can make around $54 million annually. Sounds good, yeah. In conclusion, your life purpose is like a treasure waiting to be discovered. Take these simple steps. Find out what you love. Identifying what you are good at. Understand what the world needs. And what you can be paid for. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you want to learn about the tools you can use to answer each question, watch our next video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Keep exploring, keep growing, and keep seeking your true calling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.